This is the story of the Saggy Baggy elephant. You can read along with me in your book. You will know it is time to turn the page when you hear the Saggy Baggy elephant trumpet, like this. Let's begin now. A happy little elephant was dancing through the jungle. He thought he was dancing beautifully. 1, 2, 3, kick. But whenever he went 1, 2, 3, his big feet pounded so that they shook the whole jungle. And whenever he went kick, he kicked over a tree or a bush. The little elephant danced along, leaving wreckage behind him, until one day he met a parrot.
Why are you shaking the jungle all to pieces? What kind of animal are you, anyway?
Cried the parrot, who had never before seen an elephant. The little elephant said,
I don't know what kind of animal I am. I live all alone in the jungle. I dance and I kick, and I call myself Sooki. It's a good-sounding name, and it fits me, don't you think?
Maybe, but if it does, it's the only thing that does fit you. Your ears are too big for you, and your nose is way too big for you, and your skin is much, much too big for you. It's baggy and saggy. You should call yourself Saggy Baggy.
Sooki sighed. His pants did look pretty wrinkled.
I'd be glad to improve myself, but I don't know how to go about it. What shall I do?
I can't tell you. I never saw anything like you in all my life.
The little elephant tried to smooth out his skin. He rubbed it with his trunk. That did no good. He pulled up his pants legs, but they fell right back into dozens of wrinkles. It was very disappointing, and the parrot's saucy laugh didn't help a bit.
Well, you say my skin is baggy. It's true, I must confess. 'Cause my nose is long and my ears are big and my legs are a wrinkly mess. But I'd like to make it better and get myself all fitted and pressed. 'Cause my nose is long and my ears are big and my legs are a wrinkly mess. It's no fun looking funny with saggy baggy skin. But I just can't get away from it. It's the skin that I am in. If I could, I'd wear some coveralls, or a suit, or a coat, or a vest. 'Cause my nose is long and my ears are big and my legs are a wrinkly mess.
Just then, a tiger came walking along. He was a beautiful, sleek tiger. His skin fit him like a glove. Sooki rushed up to him and said,
Tiger, please tell me why your skin fits so well. The parrot says mine is all baggy and saggy, and I do want to make it fit me like yours fits you.
Now the tiger didn't care a fig about Sooki's troubles, but he did feel flattered and important, and he did feel just a little mite hungry.
My skin always did fit. Maybe it's because I take a lot of exercise. But if you don't care for exercise, I shall be delighted to nibble off a few of those extra pounds for you.
Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you. I love exercise. Just watch me.
And Sooki ran until he was well beyond reach. After Sooki was safe, he tried exercising. He did somersaults and rolled on his back. He walked on his hind legs. And he walked on his front legs. But there was no change. Sooki wandered down to the river to get a big drink of water. Again he met the parrot, and the parrot laughed harder than ever. The little elephant sighed.
I tried exercising. Now I don't know what to do.
Soak in the water the way the crocodile does. Maybe your skin will shrink.
So Sooki tramped straight into the water. First, he floated on his back and squirted water with his trunk. Then he sank like a submarine and blew bubbles. But before he had soaked nearly long enough to shrink his skin, a great big crocodile came swimming up, snapping his fierce jaws and looking greedily at Sooki's tender ears.
Look at those floppy ears. Shall I nibble them down a bit for you?
At that, the little elephant clambered up the bank and ran away, feeling very frightened and discouraged.
I guess I'd better just hide in a dark place where my bags and sags, creases and wrinkles won't show.
By and by, he found a deep, dark cave, and with a heavy sigh, he tramped inside and sat down.
I don't care what they're saying about me. I won't listen to them. Why should I? I'll just sit here and smile, and these tears on my face will be smile drops, 'cause I like to cry. And the whole world can laugh if it wants to. I don't care if they all pass me by. They can do what they want. I'll just sit here and count all my smile drops, 'cause I like to cry. So why am I hiding, you ask me, if it's smile drops that fall from my eyes? Well, I'm happy, oh yes, but just now, well, I guess maybe sometimes I don't like to cry.
Suddenly, he heard a fierce growling and grumbling and snarling. He peeped out of the cave and saw a lion padding down the path.
I'm hungry. I haven't had a thing to eat today. Not a thing. Except a thin, bony antelope, and a puny monkey, and a buffalo, but such a tough one. And 2 turtles, but you can't count turtles. There's nothing much to eat between those saucers they wear for clothes. I'm hungry. I could eat an elephant.
And he began to walk straight toward the dark cave where the little elephant was hidden.
Oh dear, this is the end of me, sags, bags, wrinkles and all.
Thought Sooki. and he let out one last frightened trumpeting bellow. Just as he did, the jungle was filled with a terrible crashing and an awful stomping. A whole herd of great gray wrinkled elephants came charging out, and the big hungry lion jumped up in the air,
Whoa!
turned around, and ran away as fast as he could go. Sooki peeped out of the cave, and all the big elephants smiled at him. Sooki thought they were the most beautiful creatures he had ever seen. Little Elephant left the cave and walked right into the center of the herd. There were more elephants than he could count, and they all had the same handsome features. Each one had a long nose and very large ears, and lots of gray, wrinkly skin.
Gee, I wish I looked just like you,
said Sooki. The big elephants grinned.
You do. You're saggy and baggy just like us. You're a perfectly dandy little elephant.
And that made Sooki so happy that he began to dance. 1, 2, 3, kick, through the jungle, with all those big, brave, friendly elephants dancing right behind him. From a safe branch, the saucy parrot watched them dance. It was the biggest and noisiest dance the parrot had ever seen. Only this time, he didn't laugh, not even to himself.
I know my skin is baggy, that's the way that it looks best. With my nose so long and my ears so big and my legs just a wrinkly mess. I don't need to make it better, I'd look funny all fitted and pressed. I like my nose so long and my ears so big and my legs a wrinkly mess. And there's nothing that's more fitting than saggy baggy skin. For an elephant I am beautiful in the skin that I am in. Maybe you should wear some coveralls, or a suit, or a coat, or a vest. I love my nose so long, and my ears so big, and my legs a wrinkly mess. This mess is an elephant's best.